Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about that how we query null and missing fields in MongoDB. Now, what is this null? Well, null are the values with the field which exist but don't have any value. Now, what is this missing? Well, missing means that that particular field don't even exist at all, right? So, null denotes that we are having a field is having a value which is null, which means that the field exists but it is not having any value, but the missing means that the complete field don't even exist, right? So I hope that you understood the concept of what is the difference between the null and the missing. Now let's go to our MongoDB shell and understand that how we work with it.
So we are inside our Office database and this is the document inside of it, right? Let me show you in my MongoDB compass. You can check. The first one is having the name and the age. The second one is having the name and age, but the age is null here, right? And the third document, you can check. There's only one field which is name, right? There's no age there. That means the age field is missing. Got it? So let's go and make a query on it. So first of all, I'm going to show you that what if we want to find the document where the field is a null, right? I want to find the document where the field is null. So how we do that? Well, it is very simple. It is similar to what we did earlier. db.users.find like this and put age as null like this. Similar, right? And if you press enter, you will get what? You can see here I'm getting two different documents, but I put age as null here, right? But why I'm getting this second one where the age field is even missing for totally? Well, when you do such kind of search where you put age as null, what it does that MongoDB returns a document where the age field is either null or do not exist, right? Let me show you. Let's say I'm asking for some other field. Let's say father, right? So you can check there's no document where the father field is present, but even though if I press enter, you can check I got all three data set here. Why? Because even if the father field don't exist, why I get three different data set? All right, because this kind of query will return both the null and do not exist documents, right?
So I hope that you get the little bit understanding that how it works, right? So let's start from the start, that now we are going to write the query where we can find the documents where a field is missing only, right? Earlier we were using this type of query which is giving us both, but now I want only the missing field documents, right? So for that purpose, what you need to do, just let's remove it. So we need to do a db.users dot find, put a bracket like this, and after that if I want that those documents where the age field don't exist, and you know that, right? You know that particular field, you can check from here, this one, right? This one, the name ria, right? So for that purpose, what you need to write, just write the name of that particular field. And earlier we learned about the exist operator, right? We are going to use that same. So put it like this, the dollar sign exist, and make it false. So now what it means? It means that find me the document where age field don't exist, right? And by that you got that particular document, right? So this is how we deal with the missing field documents, right? Now let's come up to writing the query where we can find the field where we are having the null only, right? Where the field value is null only, and this don't exist documents don't come in the result, right? So for that purpose, we can write it like this, db.users dot find, and inside of it write the field name, that is age, right? I want the age field, right? If you check here, this one, I want this result only. So the age field is null here, definitely. So for that, put the curly bracket like this. Now again we are going to use this exist field, but this time I want this age field to be existing, right? So for that purpose I put it like this, exist, make it true. Yes, so by making it true it will give me all the field where the age field is present, but I also want the field value to be null. So use the equal operator, so $eq, and make it null. So the value of age field is equal to null, right? So this is how we solve this. And when you press enter, you got this particular document where the age field is having the value null, right? So this is how we do this. Got it? Now, if you want to find the document where a field exists, well, for that purpose, you can do it like this. Like if you just remove this and if you press just enter, in that particular case, it will give you the fields where this particular age is existing. I know that you know this earlier, but for working with these two, missing and the null, this is how we write the query, right? So let me take you to the notes. You can read it from here also. That is like this is for the where the field is null, and when you want the field to be missing, and when you want the field to be explicitly null, right? This is how we deal with it. So I hope you understood the lecture. You understood that how we write the query. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.